We're in the lab, we're having fun. Call up your friends and tell them that another video's done. We're in the lab, making you proud. If you're ready for adventure, let me hear you shout. It's labs out loud, out loud, out loud, out loud. It's labs out loud.
Hey Love Squad! Welcome back to another video. It's your girl Shawty, and with me today in the passenger seat, long time no see her now. Oh my gosh, it's Anika! So guys, we're in Jamaica currently, and the latest buzz is Uber. Uber. So of course we drive, but not all the time we want to drive. Sometimes some places we want to go, we don't have parking, so we'd like to take a look at Uber. So for example, today we want to go to Fontana, but Fontana on a weekend, you have to wait long now online, forget look at parking. So we're going to try out the Uber system. No, a lot of mixed reviews about Uber. First, me hear say Uber come to Jamaica. Then me hear say government say them not have no permission for operate. Then me hear say people that take Uber. Then me hear say the driver they must say they want more money than what Uber said they must get. So today we're gonna see what's going on. Today we're going to see what's going on. So I'm actually going to download the app. It's at 95%. Just a wait. Let me get a look at AC and I know where you start, you know. Installing. No, so guys, police just stopped me.
Police stopper.
First time being stopped by the police. Thank God for them because them give me a blind. I just have to show them my license, you know. Guys, the man said me a speed. I don't believe that. Alright, we're back in business. Good afternoon, Shade. Where to? So we're going to Fontana, Waterloo, right? We're going to Waterloo.
tree driver them now. Oh, you can make them pick up some money.
We not pick up the corona time. Split fare. So much me that pay so.
Half? I'm assuming.
That process here take long though. I guess nobody know want to pick me up.
No.
Nobody know want to pick me up. Me drive my car go and hey Uber. Should I tell him say how we?
Oh, labs.
Oh, meet at the pickup point. So we have license plate 6 all time. Maybe deaf or maybe deaf or hard of hearing.
Maybe the driver was deaf.
See the man here I come down the road. So we are going outside and wait. I'll wait for him, okay? See them show the car right there, so guys, the car come. No, them say man maybe deaf. I heard hearing. I don't know that me, but at least him know where we go. I already pay him, so we don't need to talk to him. But we don't want to talk to him. So come on. She. We're doing this, Anika. We're doing this. Yeah. Hey Lab Squad, Future Shots here, checking in while you're watching this video. I hope you're enjoying it thus far. But I actually got an idea to call the other taxi companies that we have in Jamaica just to get a figure of what they would charge for the same distance, just to see how affordable Uber is. So I'm going to actually call On Time Taxi Service, and then I'll call El Shaddai. So I just call in 2 of them. So On Time Taxi Service.
Hi, good evening, On Time.
Hi, I'm calling to find out if I can get a cab from Sovereign to Fontana on Waterloo, and what's the cost?
It's only 600.
600. Alright, thanks. I'll call you back. So she says 600. That not bad. That not bad. I think I paid $400 to $500 for the Uber. Alright, so let me call Express. We may just call it On Time. I have one named Express, right? But I think you have one named El Shaddai.
Alright, hold on. I call El Shaddai first. Cause I'm kind of on my name, so it's only fair. Let me call El Shaddai.
I'm at Mega Mart.
Hi, Shaddai, good night.
Good night. I'm calling to find out what's the price for a cab from Sovereign to Fontana on Waterloo.
Which Sovereign?
Sovereign in Ligani.
It's on my current.
Repeat.
I say it's on my current.
I sound like Karen.
Somebody new current.
Oh no, I'm Shadi.
From Sovereign Ligani to Fontana, what? $600.
Alright, thanks. I'll call you back. Okay, so they basically said the same $600. So they were still more expensive than Uber. So that's just to give you a comparative review of the pricing. Alright, back to the video.
A week or so. However, there's one problem I have with the signing up process, which is the police record.
Yeah,
which is
take long to get.
no, but they said it's optional.
Oh, it's optional.
So you don't have to.
You don't have to do background check.
Submit a police
Oh,
Which
so
I-
most persons aren't gonna. Oh, so you can't really ensure the safety of the
Yes.
passenger. Oh,
So I have a problem with that.
yeah.
But so far it has been good.
Oh, sorry. You choose your hours?
Yeah, that's what I was going to
Yeah, basically, the truth when I want to go online and when I want to come home.
Okay.
If it's a case where I feel like I want to finish after this trip, I just
Yeah, you just go offline.
Alright, so you work like in the day.
Okay.
yeah, so it's flexible.
So you get paid daily or?
The pay is based off your work, you know.
Mm-hmm.
So it depends on the amount of
Trips that you do per day and
make.
stuff like that. Okay.
Otherwise, from like the promotion that Uber might have on that day, on that specific day,
Okay.
you might get some extra earnings.
Yeah. Cause like when I pay online, so that's what I was wondering, like if you would get that payment same time or.
No, they pay out. I think it's Monday of each week.
Okay. So the online payment.
The online payments. We won't get the cash in your account until Monday of each week.
Okay. Gotcha.
Go ahead.
I was wondering, you think somebody could do this like full time and make money to survive? Since it's not a lot of drivers now.
Yes, however, I think there would have to be some kind of management towards it, because if you don't know how to manage it well enough, you realize you will find yourself losing more than what you're
in terms of the gas and stuff, where you're going so far.
And especially like in these times where the gas prices are so
going
high.
up every week.
Alright, so it's a case where you have to manage it too. So in a case where I drop you off after this trip, if I'm supposed to be driving around until I find somebody, that's not
so if basically just stay there until
so anywhere I
you
drop you off, I just find a little location and park. I'm just sit there and wait till our next
thing come. Okay. So that's what you were doing a while ago? You were waiting and then
waiting.
Okay.
So I just dropped off some other clients up further, and I just came down and just parked. I saw the request came.
That's a popular area, so I think that's wise to just.
So if it is managed well, you can see profits in it.
Because I was comparing like the prices compared to the regular taxi companies, cheaper.
Everybody's saying
so that's why I was wondering if it work out for you guys.
Yeah, in some way, not as much as we'll want it to, but you gradually will see the
revenue coming in.
Exactly.
So when you get, because it's at one part it said 3 drivers were nearby, so it's whoever clicks on that ride first.
It is process. Sometimes the person can be close to over. They already have a
passenger going.
So they find the closest other
available. Okay. Because I wondering if it's like a first stop. First serve.
It's one person. However, if the person cancels the request, it goes to the next.
Oh, so you can cancel also?
Yes, I can cancel it.
Oh, so you could send a picture? Like how?
No, I can't see the name.
Okay. No problem, I never upload no picture. Okay.
That's the thing. But I can cancel it.
Okay. Like if you see that it's too far or you do a community you probably don't want to go into, you can cancel.
They have limitation as to which community they're going? Or is really the driver this side?
No, it's the driver this side.
Okay. Because you guys work up until curfew or you can work after curfew?
There's no limitations to when.
Time.
Okay.
We know the curfew hours.
That's what I wonder. When you go cross, you have to go come over in this lane. And you go cross.
So we just have to respect the curfew hours.
And it's gonna be come over and do this right over here. And we have arrived at Fontana. So you see, them people are actually going in Wendy's. So if you want us to just come out so that, because they're actually waiting on the drive-thru. So them basically block up the entrance.
So no one take it here?
Yeah, we can.
Okay, no problem. And nice to meet you guys.
Yeah, man, thank you. Labs Out Loud. Labs Out Loud.
I'm saying go on YouTube.
Yeah, man,
just subscribe, see that.
See what you mean, the buffet do go through the out part. Labs Out. Yeah, see second one. More popular. Yeah, that's me. So I'll be posting this video tomorrow.
Okay, no problem. I'll look out for it.
Yeah, man.
Have a nice day, no?
Yeah, man, thank you.
later.
So guys, we requested a ride and a driver selected it, and then him text and say, where are you guys going? Then he say, sorry, I can't make it. So now we're just waiting for a ride. Odin is on the way, 6 minutes.
Same guy?
No, this is a grey Nissan Lazio. 0 trips. Him just what kind of new smart it is? 0 trips, Amiga. Him just come out there, just we're gonna be him first.
No, him get 5-star rating already.
The bus start at 5 and then it go down. No, it might make me late still, or if I drive. Guys, we're gonna plan what we're gonna do, so I'll let you know when he gets here. Bye. And a guy came, and then he's saying that he's unable to start my ride.
Why?
He's saying he can't start
the
it, the app not working, and he have to pay by cash. And I'm saying it already charged my card. I already paid by card.
Okay.
So he's saying but when I saw, I think that's him, right? The yeah, that's the car, and Nissan Lazio.
What?
Yeah, because I wasn't going to pay again, so I had to.
Right.
And then when I tried to cancel it, they're going to charge me $120. So I had to try and get him to cancel it.
For me.
Yeah. But I thought that was sketchy, because he's saying that that's the app been doing that all day. So I said, why are you selecting people's right?
I've never had that issue since morning.
Exactly. And the Uber that we took come down here didn't have that issue.
Right, so I'm not sure. Maybe it's something on his end.
That's why I'm asking if it's his phone.
Maybe it's his phone.
Because I'm saying that's just weird. Yeah. But he's saying persons are paying by cash. So because I'm saying, if you know that it's not working, why are you selecting people's ride? Because you basically waste my time.
I don't like cash payment.
Exactly, but it looks like it's that. So how has Uber been going for you though?
Good.
It's going good.
Good.
You're from Kingston?
Well, Papi.
Kingston.
Yeah.
Kingston, yeah.
That's good. The guy claims he's from Portmore.
Yeah, he's from,
Kingston.
yeah. Because a while ago he's saying where we're going, so I said Sovereign. Doesn't it tell you where we're going?
Because they say so probably he's new.
Oh.
The case that he's just started, because you can actually check to see
where the person is going, but you have to know where to go.
Yeah, so you can check the way bill to see
where they go.
Them up and where you're going.
Oh.
So once he saw. It only shows us the address, like 106 Oak Road, but then we have to start it
to see where.
Exactly. When I started it, showed me that it's actually somewhere.
Oh. Okay. And the guy said that was crazy, but yeah, man, it's here. So we're actually on our way now to our destination, but I didn't like that the guy wanted us to pay. He's like, he can't start the ride. So I say, why you pick way up then if you can't start the ride? How that makes sense? He said, oh, my customers normally pay by cash. No, I already pay. Because I've been hearing that some Uber drivers are actually charging more than the app. So I guess that's what he was trying to do. Because when I clicked on his thing, it said 0 trips.
Yeah, which means that he just started.
So I'm like,
yeah, which means that he just started today. Because if you check mine, I think mine would say what? 130 or.
wow.
Yeah, I guess he's just starting.
No, but I think he's started, but because he's not starting the trips, but he's dropping out the people, but they're paying by cash. Because him say it has been happening from morning, but the persons just pay cash.
So there's no.
So that's that's the thing.
It's crazy.
That's the thing.
I guess Uber needs to have a class with the drivers.
Yeah, some.
Because
Yeah.
I even asked him, is there nobody you can call to find out what, since he said it's from morning.
So
why you
them
don't
charge
ask
me and
somebody?
they charge me cancellation fee
Well,
of $160.
you can report it, you know. You can report
Report it.
Yeah, you can, and they can refund you.
Oh,
Yeah, you can report it.
let me see.
So just report that trip.
How I do that? So let's see. I have to go report this. This is crazy.
You can reach out to Uber. Uber will they will refund it. So,
Do you recommend women doing this? You think it's safe enough for a woman to do?
it's safe enough if it's a woman that is okay with driving long, okay with meeting men, women, boy and girl,
different.
okay with different personalities, because different people come in your car, you don't choose who you pick up.
That's true.
So yeah, and so I've heard, I've not seen, because I've not met anyone else who have been doing Uber apart from my friends. And I've heard that women are doing it and they're going on good. So
Okay.
I guess it's something that everyone can do. I guess it's something that everyone can do.
And just let us off at the supermarket.
Yeah.
Sure.
Thank you very much. Alright, Lab Squad, it's me again. So I'm just checking in to give you an overall summary of my experience with Uber. I think it's a good initiative. I think it's a good, you can pay online, so you don't have to deal in with cash with the drivers, because all Jamaican taxis, they love hike up the price. After you've been told the price, them tell you it's a different price, and you're kind of in an awkward situation. So when you pay online, you can be like, I paid online already. Now, I actually end up taking 3 Ubers. One of them, the first one that we got, he was a good driver. He was good and he had great customer service. The second one, when we were ready to go back to Fanta, when we were ready to go back to Sovereign, the one that came, I think he was a scam. He's trying to say that the app isn't working, so he's unable to start or ride. So he's saying we have to pay cash even though we already pay online, which is a technique that drivers are using to get you to pay more money. So we had to cancel him. When I tried to cancel him, it was saying that I would have to pay $160 for a cancellation fee because the driver already got there. But I'm saying it's not my fault. So he had to cancel it, and he was kind of stalling, but we didn't know why he was stalling, only to find out that he waited until after 5 minutes to cancel the ride. So then it automatically charged me $160 cancellation fee. When we got our other driver, he explained to us how it works, and he said that I could, appeal the charges and they would refund me my money, which I did appeal the charges and they did refund me my money. However, it was in Uber credits, so I basically have $160 Uber credits instead of cash going back to my account. So I mean, it's a good initiative. If you have to, you can try it out and tell me how your experience is, or if you have ever done it in Jamaica, let me know how it went for you. But I mean, it's good, and giving the other taxi company competition will allow them to be more reasonable sometimes and actually value you as the passenger, because some of them only see $sign by your forehead. Cha-ching ching. Anyway guys, thank you for watching. Gonna go to the supermarket. Bye.